Hey guys, today we're doing a video of GTA 5 again. So, yeah, and I finally got to kind of record my screen because I zoomed it in and, yeah, I actually really far back, but I zoomed it in, so it's better. And yeah, so let me get all my gaming stuff and everything ready so we can do this, right? So, sorry if you guys can't still see that good, but can't see that good. It's just because the lighting right, so let me turn the light on and see how good it goes. You see, still mostly the same. Just a little, tiny stuff, right? Oh, is that? So, and guys, I'm not gonna really buy. So driving's mostly 100%. Stamina, I think, or something like that. 100%. Oh my god, guys, I did that with my fist. Take that out. Sorry, boy. Oh, yo. This fuck that open. I really need that dirt bike, so that thing looks sick. Right? Looks sick. Okay, there might be one thing over here. Guys, I like to look in this kind of country part, you know? But dirt bikes when you really want to get to the formula. So this is like good chance you got. Oh. Nico, can't break that, okay, Nico? Just tell me you can't break metal. What you can do is you can break wood, but not metal. So we have dogs. Dogs usually are like aggressive. I don't know why, but oh no, like this. So, right? So just telling you, and guys. So yeah, doggy. Dang it, I am. No ammo or anything. It was literally attacking the owner. Yeah, bro, doggy. Seriously, I thought we were gonna be friends. He literally killed me, the dog. Why would the dog kill me? Wasted. I got wasted in the trash. So guys, basically, what I'm trying to do is I like to spawn in this kind of area. If you want to dirt bike, like I always want to dirt biking. It's fun, you know, right? So that's why I always want dirt bikes. I love dirt bikes. I even have one, guys. You might have seen it before in another video, but it was a long time ago. So Michael. Dang it. Couldn't do it. Hey, little doggy. Doggy boy. No, naughty doggy. Yeah, boy. Punch in my face. Boom, 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 boy. Boy. Oh, yeah. Oh, that was a nice hit. Nice hit, too, yeah. Oh, boys. Yo, sweet. Thank you for the dirt bike. Whoever did that. At least I get a vehicle. And that's my favorite one in the game. My favorite vehicle. It's not my favorite color, but my favorite vehicle, you know, because I'm thankful for this. This kind of sounds weird, but I am, guys. I'm telling the truth, you know. I always tell the truth to YouTube. Right, so. No! Was that stray dog? I'm just gonna call it a stray dog, even though it's like a fox or something. I'm not sure if it's like a fox or it's definitely a fox. Oh, that was a mountain lion. I know that. I like GTA 5 a lot. Are the cops still on me? No, they're not. I don't think. No, they're not. So, Rockstar Games. Rockstar Games hooked me up with this game. I've been wanting it for a while, and Rockstar Games hooked me up with it. I literally called them. I should have made a video of it. But guys, I'm being honest. I actually did call them. You know how to believe me? Well, I'm filming on my phone, so I can't really do it right now. But I will in another video when I'm recording the screen, you know? Okay? So, just tell me. Oh, landed doing a wheelie. And I hit a dog thingy, whatever it is. I'm flying. I'm flying. I'm flying in the wind. Guys, I'm gonna be looking for you know what they call them, right? What are they called? Okay, guys, I can't remember what it's called, but it's hard to explain. Okay, that's all I have to say. It's hard to explain. And I'm going to do the track, you know, do the track, so. To the red light track or something like that. I don't know what it's called. I know it has like red light like that. Where are the jumps? And here we go. Rockstar Games, add more jumps. So guys, Rockstar Games actually does need to add more jumps in the track. After the update, yeah, they have to. It's still fun though, right? Because there's a few jumps, right? And it's pretty muddy and you can go super fast on it, turning, and there's actually a lot of turning. Oh, oopsies. That hurt. Ouch. I got a boo-boo. Okay guys, like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and see you in the next video.